Hey friends, welcome to my video one more time. Today we are going to explore one very important question that being asked me many times, which is the trusted websites for an online data entry job. So there are millions of fake websites which ask you to pay money before you can join a data entry work, but you definitely not have to visit such a website. The website from which you will get data entry work and which is very trusted is People Per Hour and Freelance. These are the best data entry work so far. Apart from this, you can also find some real paying data entry jobs at Remote Task, Appen, Lionbridge, Clickworker, and Xerox. These are some legit sites to make money online, and other websites don't have more work related to data entry, so don't register on them. You will get work after making a proper profile of yours, and it should be very attractive so that you can get more orders for data entry work. You will get orders slowly, but if you start getting work, there is no stopping you. You will get more orders. So I request you to make profile that will look attractive and that will attract more freelancing work for you. So register on the above listed websites so that you can start working with data entry work. Thank you and see you next time.